Hi, this is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of EM Coach, coming to you with another monthly installment of one of our questions for EP Monthly. This is going to be a pretty short explanation because you either reduce it correctly or you don't. The issue with an MCP joint dislocation and then the reduction is that you have an issue with both the extension and the flexion side, right? And the tendons that are controlling that are running all the way back, and so when you are even trying to flex on your PIP or your DIP, those tendons are still running all the way through. So when you're trying to reduce an MCP joint dislocation, if it's dorsally sublux, it's important to flex the hand down, which will then release the tension on those flexor tendons so that when you slip the joint back in, you're not causing a volar plate entrapment. And one of the issues is that if you place additional pulling away, right, some extension, some pressure away from like you normally do, then you have still a greater chance of getting volar plate entrapment. You want to be relaxing everything so it can just slip right back into place, which is unique, relatively speaking, compared to other types of reductions. So bear that in mind when you have this relatively uncommon injury. Make sure to flex that wrist when you're reducing a dorsally subluxed MCP joint dislocation. This is Andrew Phillips, the editor-in-chief and founder of EM Coach, hoping you have a good day.